Listen when him will take for himself now. If you joke him like Maca yard, and you're making him uncomfortable and miserable, and you're nagging, and you're not cook no food game, and you just a chatter, you burn up burnt offering for rice, and all of that, and you just a chatter. Oh, where you there? How you smell, sir? And where you come from? You know, and who trim you? And left me alone. You walk him down. You know, me na your phone, you know, who name Margaret? Who name Margaret? I'm a mother. You never know some man can have whole heap of granny. A mother and brother and sister. Hallelujah. Who's she? My sister from foreign by my mother, brother, sister, father, nephew side. I feel. I'm saying you have to rely on God. It's simple enough. You have to know, okay, this is my husband or my person, and I love him, he loves me, and we have a relationship with God. I must trust God to keep him. Now, if he has a relationship with God, you don't have to tell him about no woman on the road, then he's not going to know that. Because every time he steps out there, he's going to remember that he has a relationship with God. He's not going to be thinking about you. If it's because of you, then him can keep another woman. But it's because of God why him not going to do it. Hallelujah. And that's how it works. So woman Lego this thing and you watch him and the people. Load man. Give him freedom. Listen why. If he wants to go a road and you stop him today, you have to go stop him tomorrow. And every day you have to go stop him. It's too much work. Hallelujah. It's too much work. And I've seen some man lay weight. Them girlfriend a peep through window, watch every move she make, and you watch every call you walk past like you're going in a kitchen and you're sitting here. That's too much work, that. Hallelujah. We don't have time for that. A simple thing, you know. Me have your ear. If you love me and me love you, then you work by the game on the road. I'm going to do my best. You do your best. This is not 50-50. Some of you women get this out of your head. Me no want no 50 from no woman. Relationship is never 50-50. Me no want no 50 from you. 100 me say. And I know some people come about, it's 50-50. They want to the other 50. Eh? I know who you hide it for. 100 me want.